So today is our first lecture. In speaking, we have to deal with the sounds. Sounds are the more important in speaking English. Do you know that there is a 26 alphabets but 44 sounds? They are divided into 19 consonant, 7 digraph, 5 R control sounds, 5 long vowels, 5 short vowels, O sounds, and 2 diphthongs. I'll help you learn and understand those 44 sounds along with some other blended and special sound used in English. In our first lecture, we'll start the sound B. What is the sound of B? B pronounced like a ba, ba. Now we will see the sound ba in initial, medial, and final words. So in initial sound, if we see initial sounds, then back. Wanna go back. Medial sound, problem. Do you have any problem? Final sound, job. I like my job. So here is a list of the initial, medial, and final sound you can see and practice with me. Beyond, behavior, because, bring, between. Medial sound, disability, credible, neighbor, observe, probably. Final sound, web, robe, rub, grab, lab. So you can see how the we pronounce the word B, the alphabet B as a ba. Now the next alphabet is D. We pronounce the alphabet D is da, da. If we see the word da in initial sound, so it's difficult, difficult. It's very difficult to solve. If we see in a medial sound, today, today. It's very hot today. And if we see it, final sounds, weird, weird. It looks so weird. Here is a list of the initial, middle, and final sounds. So you can practice with me, pronounce after me. Different, decoration, diamond, doll, damage, medial, middle, excluding, children, Sunday, condition. Final sounds, standard, word, good, spend, need. So you can see how the alphabet D pronounce. So you can practice and get fluent. But next alphabet is F. How we pronounce F? F pronounced as a F. F. If we see the F sound in a initial of the word, so it's find. Find. What are you finding? If we see in a medial sound, perfectly. It fits you perfectly. And if we see in a end of the word, stuff. I'm stuffed now. So here is a list, and now do the practice with me. Philosophy, fellow, focus, fact, family. In the middle of the sound, welfare, certificate, significant, wonderful, before. And in the end of the word, enough, if, half, myself, life. Here you see the ph pronounced like a fa and gh as pronounced like a fa. The fourth alphabet is G. G pronounced as a g, g. In if we see the sound G in a initial word, we say game, game. I like to play game. If we see in the middle, sugar, sugar. Where is the sugar? If we see the sound of G at the end of the word, so gang, gang. It's a whole gang. So here is a list, and now practice with me. Initial sound guide, girl, good, glass, game. Medial sound August, seagull, digger, zigzag, beggar. In a final, egg, dog, bag, dig, bog. So you can see how the G is pronounced. Now we will see the alphabet H. H pronounced like a H, H. If we see the H sounds in a initial word, so it is here, here. You have to come here. You have to come here. Behind. She is standing behind you. If we see the sound of H in the end of the word, it is beach. I like to go to the beach. So here is a list, and now practice with me. Initial sound hang, here, happen, home, hormones. In a medial sounds anyhow, rehearsals, neighborhood, behave, and in the final word stomach, batch, birth, fetch, catch. So here is the sounds. Now we'll see the word J. J is pronounced as a ja, ja. If we see in the initial of the word is job. I like my job. If we see in the middle of the words, so it's jubilee. Congrats on your silver jubilee. If we see the J sound in the last of the word is Hajj. Hajj. I performed the Hajj. And here is a list. Now practice after me. July, Jupiter, jungle, judiciary, join. Okay, if we see in the middle, subject, object, eject, adjourn, inject, deject. If we see the final word, cage, badge, page, orange, large. So our today lecture is completed. Now take care of yourself and practice to get more fluent.